New day and time for new beach adventure, and the unsteady summer is continuing with another cloudy and rainy day. And despite some sun here and there that appeared out of nowhere, it looks like it's gonna be another rainy day on this 22nd of July 2026. 18 degrees Celsius in the air. It will be around 14 to 18 degrees today during the night and day. And it's time for a quick swim in Lake Söderbysjön today on this beach number 99 on my Sweden beach adventures. Yes, I am here in the forest and a bit secluded, a beach spot obviously, which I'm visiting. I visited a few times before, 2 times to be exact, and I'm ready for a swim in the lake Söderbysjön in Nacka. You can see the clouds up there. Not the most pleasant view, which means rain is incoming. Yes, we are in the middle of summer and there is heat wave all around Southern Europe, but in the Nordic countries the weather is like this and I love it. I wouldn't change this for anything. What else? Let's then get going with a swim, I guess. Nothing much else. This is a cliff, rocky beach in the forest, a bit further from the main road, and spontaneous nudity spot if you wish so to be. So let's get going. Here it's also very easy to get into the water as well, which is quite convenient indeed. The other day there was a sign not to bathe in the lake because of algae blooming, but I am going to take my chances again. Okay. The water though is still warm and pleasant, so it's going to be nice for a swim in the lake. Pleasant and nice, and if the rain comes it's still nice because I'm already in the water. These rocks here are quite amazing and the forest is filled with blueberries and maybe soon also with some mushrooms. Oh, there's a strange bird that I can see over there. It's very interesting. I don't think it's visible on the GoPro, but I can see it. There is lots of different fauna and flora here in the nature as usual, but the water is still decent for a swim, which is why I continue with the beach adventures, even though just a short swim. Oh, there's the bird. Look at it fly. Oh, I haven't seen that one in a while. Oh my god, it's so majestic. Wow. I'm not sure what's the name of the bird. If you know it, put it in the comments. And it seems that the rain is underway, so let's then wrap up slowly but steadily and say thank you so much for watching this beach adventure from Söderbysjön, and I'm gonna be definitely seeing you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel that's called Beach Adventures with Chris. Let's go!